Just don't run into the trucks. It's crazy. Oh my, incoming. Okay, well, I think she's gonna stay out of the way now. Okay. Why does my dad just cut it and turn around?
Can you turn around?
He can if he backs up and turns around. That's how we came in, was that way.
Oh, we should do that, huh?
Does he need help?
Reverse. What?
Nothing. Is he out of there or is he stuck?
Oh, he's going through.
Oh my goodness. That was crazy. Oh, hello. Look at all these trucks doing nothing but sitting around. Wow. There's walls of trucks everywhere. Oh, that semi's trying to get out. That's crazy. I bet you that's my dad behind us now. Because his headlights look brand new. Look at all the trucks down there too.
Huh?
See all the trucks down there? Oh, he flashed. Yeah, that was my dad.
Pretty crazy, right?
That one's driving. Is there still a restriction?
Probably not like there was. It's probably like more of a advisement, not a restricted. I don't know. We'll have to see what the sign says.
There's one driving over there too.
That was crazy. That was a whole wall. See
Oh,
the top?
that's the one, yeah.
That's what I was telling you about.
Wow.
See how I told you it was crumpled like that?